Hi, I'm Benji Pauly from DeltaQuad. DeltaQuad is from Amsterdam, the Netherlands. We started manufacturing the DeltaQuad Pro, but are now focused on the DeltaQuad Evo, which is dual payload, flies 4.5 hours, can carry LiDAR, but you can also use a different combination of payloads, for example, RGB photogrammetry with a LiDAR payload for polarized point clouds, but you can also do multispectral or do surveillance, all with the same vehicle. Yeah, so the Evo flies 4.5 hours. It's a completely composite construction made of fiberglass, carbon fiber, and Kevlar. It has a dynamic center of gravity system, which is what allows us to change all the payloads. You always can fly autonomously, efficiently. Yeah, with the DeltaQuad right out of the box, you have two options in terms of yellow scan LiDAR. Actually, it's the only LiDAR we provide. It's the Mapper Plus with 20 megapixel RGB, or the Surveyor Ultra OEM that has an 8 megapixel RGB global shutter integrated sensor. Both allow you to have a colorized point cloud after you run it through Cloud Station. The difference is that the Mapper Plus has a dedicated 20 megapixel RGB, so you can also do photogrammetry. So you could apply that to your digital surface model that you make with your point cloud. Yeah, the key advantage of using a yellow scan LiDAR on the Evo is that you have unmatched flight times and range, for example, coverage range. For example, with the Surveyor Ultra OEM, we do 1,200 hectares in a single flight. That's colorized data. With the Mapper Plus, we do less because we don't have an extra battery. It's about 500 hectares, which is still quite a lot of coverage, but you do have the photogrammetry from the same flight. Well, you could use it for a lot of different things. Our main market is defense, so we sell the LiDAR a lot to the military. They use it for their forward logistics units, planning out in advance, force reconnaissance. You can also use it for conservation, road planning, power line inspection. There's a lot of use cases for it.